Hi, this is Nick. It's July 17. It's 11 p.m. Central European Time in the Netherlands. We're looking at the most important coins, especially Bitcoin. And also we're still taking a look at Firstcoin, what's happening. We see a big jump today in Bitcoin, up 8.8%, Ethereum up 4.6%, EOS up nearly 10 or better 9.3%, Bitcoin Cash up 5%, Litecoin up 6%. Ripple up 5.7, Ethereum Classic up 3.1. Interesting move today of Bitcoin, which of course took the whole market with it up into the direction of the sky. We see here we started at 6,600, 6,700. We're there up and down, not much movement, and then all of a sudden it jumped up to 7, and then to 7.1, and then to 7.4, and now we are leveling out at 7.3 and something. We see that the market cap is 126 billion, there where it was 110 the last couple of days, weeks. It was even around 100 at one time. 7-day chart. That's where we see up and down between 6.4 and 6.1, gradually climbing up to 6.4, here climbing up to 6.7, which was a sign that the price wanted to move up, but then this big steep jump today from 6.7 to 6.4. Here we see it in the month perspective. Here we see the 3 months. There we see out of the downward trend. The 6-month chart, we're not quite there yet. If we draw this line, and the 1-year chart, we also see we're not quite there yet, but it's looking very, very promising. So let's look at the monthly chart or at Bitmap. As you can see, we were, this is June 18, around 6,300, 6,400, up and down between 6,007 and down to 5.8. We were at the end of July, at the end of June, and then it moved to where we are now. This is what happened today, and if we look at
today, and this is what we see. We started around 6,700, we jumped up to 7,000 and 7,200, 7,200 down to a little bit of a profit taken, 7,150, and then another jump to 7,400, and even a spike towards the 6,500 level, and now we leveled out at around 7,300 and a little bit. So very interesting move, and we see there's a huge volume compared to earlier that day. So there's clearly something happening in the market. Maybe some big contracts have been bought, long contracts. People start to be more positive about Bitcoin, and of course it's looking very promising. So let's look at another chart. The other big jump is of course EOS. EOS 7 days. Well, let's look at today first. We see a similar pattern as with Bitcoin, around 8.1, 7.9, and all of a sudden a jump up to 8.9. This is a 7-day chart. Also, we see also similar pattern as with Bitcoin, and 3 months here we're still in a downward trend. 6 months even clearer, still in the downward trend, but it's looking promising. And this is the 1-year chart, and that's looking even differently. But you can see we're not out of it yet, but it's a positive, a very positive movement.
So when we look at Firstcoin, then this is what happened today. Of course, Firstcoin also is influenced by Bitcoin price, despite the fact that nothing much is happening there anymore. I mean, a few people are still probably speculative buying and selling the coin, but as you can see, the volume is hardly nothing. It's like just $1,000. I mean, Firstcoin is clearly on its way way out. I mean, it's gradually losing its customers, and as you know, there is the whole Firstcoin company and the whole Firstcoin business is being renewed, and there will be a new coin because Firstcoin has gotten a bad rap from everything that happened this last 6 or 7 months. So do not buy a Firstcoin anymore because it nothing will probably happen with it apart from a little bit of speculation, as you can see, from 1.8 cents to 2 cents, so nothing very much. I'll keep you posted about new developments in Firstcoin. Maybe it's better to put your money into Bitcoin for a while, and we'll keep you posted about the developments in Firstcoin. If you want to know about how you can trade in Bitcoin with real good profit, there's a company that gives you all the signals that you need to buy and sell, when to buy and sell. And even if you do that once a day, then the data of this last 6 to 7 months, when starting in January, looks just trading one trade a day already gives you a 50% profit. So if you want to know more about it, please contact me, and I'll gladly tell you more about it. Okay, that was it for today. Thank you very much. Hope to hear and see you, or better see you, in the next video.